check out this cool app that allows you to add sound effects to your read alouds.
And then something went bump. How that bump made us jump.
So this is the app Novel Effect. They have a huge library to choose from, and it does have a subscription cost, but you can hit up your district to pay for it or just do a free trial, which is what I did for this because I don't have any affiliation with them. What's really cool is the microphone follows your voice. You don't have to try and keep pace with the book or anything. So you just find the book that you're looking for, and then you just click that print button. I'm not going to do it because it'll take over my microphone, and then start reading. It's as easy as that. Super fun too.